In a different video, I did a complete cold start, touching the manifold up there so you could see it was bone cold. This is basically a cold start, but I did start it up about 20 minutes ago, so I'm not gonna pump the gas. See, she starts right up. Stereo is fully functional. Wish we still had the original, but we don't. That guy, you can plug your iPhone into it and play your music from your phone. Just pop that hood open. You can hear it just kind of purring along there. Now that is not the original engine. That is a Summit Crate 350 engine. My old man put that in about 1998. It's got 15,000 miles on it. At that same time, he did a refresh, everything under here. All sorts of new bits and parts and pieces. All the time trying to stay true to that 1981 feel. Put a little fire extinguisher in there, you know, just in case. You can see the specs in the description that I got there. It's a real smooth running engine.